Welcome to today's edition of Crypto Corner at InvestorIdeas.com. News on what's driving the cryptocurrency market. Hey everyone, this is Sam Mowers here. Welcome to episode 796 of the Crypto Corner podcast. For news today, RIOT, Blockchain, and Hut8 have posted record revenues for 2021, and Bitfarms has commenced production at The Bunker. Just before we get into the show, though, a quick reminder that if you enjoyed this podcast, to please feel free to share it or leave us a review. And as always, I recommend checking out some of the other podcasts on InvestorIdeas.com. This includes the Cannabis Podcast, the Clean Tech and Climate Change Podcast, along with many others, all of which will bring you up to speed on the latest stock news and trends in their respective spaces. Alright, so RIOT Blockchain Inc., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker RIOT, has posted its financial highlights and results for the full year ended December 31st, 2021. Some highlights include a total revenue of $213.2 million. This is an increase of 1,665% from the $12.1 million recorded in the previous year. And the company also boasts a total of 4,884 bitcoins held on its balance sheet. Jason Less, the CEO of RIOT, commented, quote, "We are pleased to report that 2021 was a record financial year for the company. 2021 was also a transformative year, with the company emerging as a vertically integrated industry leader in Bitcoin mining. RIOT is extremely well positioned for the future with demonstrated access to low-cost infrastructure, a world-class digital infrastructure development team, highly specialized in-house engineering capabilities, industry-leading utilization of cutting-edge immersion cooling technology, increasing hash rate, and a strong balance sheet. As part of our strategy in 2022, the company will continue to leverage its industry-leading position and focus on driving operational, technological, and financial improvements that are expected to deliver results for our shareholders." End quote. Hut8 Mining Corp., which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker HUT, has announced its financial results for the year ended December 31st, 2021. Now, this includes a record-breaking revenue of $173.8 million, the mining of 2,786 Bitcoin, and the achievement of an installed hash rate of approximately 2 exahash per second, a number which has already since been surpassed. The company's CEO, Jamie Leverton, explains, quote, 2021 was a truly transformational year at Hut8, complemented by considerable growth. In pursuing a diversified strategy, we have differentiated ourselves from our peer group, and in doing so have become the only company in North America to both mine digital assets while building on our traditional infrastructure business to support companies in Web3 and the metaverse. End quote. Bitfarms Limited, which trades on the Nasdaq under the ticker BITF, has announced the commencement of production at The Bunker. This is located in Sherbrooke, Quebec, Canada. The Bunker, according to the press release, is expected to be a 48-megawatt facility housing 13,000 miners, anticipated to deliver 1,300 petahash per second. Emiliano Grodsky, the CEO of Bitfarms, said, quote, "Timely construction and miner deployments are key factors to achieving our 3 exahash per second goal. Energizing the bunker moves us one step closer to meeting that target. Rapid deployment of mining assets is underway, and the bunker is presently operating at 300 petahash. With an additional 1,000 miners contemporaneously being redeployed in Paraguay, this brings our total current hash rate to 2.7 exahash per second, which is a 17% increase since the beginning of March. The bunker, along with our nearby Lager location, will contribute a substantial boost to our goal of achieving 3 exahash per second for early Q2 2022. End quote. That does it for today's Crypto Corner. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products, services, or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss in investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Apple Podcasts, Audible, Spotify, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio, Google Podcasts, and most audio platforms available.